I've just come down the road here and I am going to pick some of these little crab apples, and it looks like they're just going to go to waste, so I'm going to pick a few and make some crab apple jam. But I think that will do for me for today. Your more difficult fruits, I think, you know, the ones that aren't quite so nice to eat. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to measure this out. So we need to bring this to the simmer and then add our sugar in. We need to boil this quite hard for a couple of minutes at least, giving it very regular stirring. Right, we've got 7 and 7. We just boil it until, well, simmer it until we start to see it kind of go a bit jelly in the pan. They call it sheeting, I think, don't they? Okay, so I've just run my finger through this and it's actually really gelling. In fact, it's probably a bit more than what you would call a jelly as far as a jam goes. It's almost becoming a paste which can be used on crackers with cheese.